Alright, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to install the Shield RMSc red dot sight. I'm really into the red dots. You know, I'm a gadget person, hence the name Gadget Pimp as the web of the channel. I've been in gadgets pretty much all my life, and one of the things I like about firearms, especially Glocks, it is basically a gadget that you could modify, add different stuff on electronics, whatever, and it also a tool for self-defense. So it's the perfect thing for me. All right, so let's see what the Shield Reflex mini sight has compact. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. I had this sight for maybe 2 weeks now. I ordered it, caught it on sale, couldn't pass it up. What comes in the box, you got these stickers. So they give you 2 stickers because when you change the battery, you put this at the bottom of the battery, and then I guess it helps seal it from the body. So this is cool. Also, it comes with some big stickers if you like to stick these stickers on the stuff. So some people are into stickers. I actually put them on my gun safe. I just have all the different stickers on there. So these 2 can go on the side. This is for the warranty. I will take care of this later. All right, let's see what else we got. We got the actual sight. Look at this. It actually comes with a nice cover, which is pretty good. So if I have it storing it for whatever reason, I can keep the cover on it. You can take it off. This is the sight right here. So it's straightforward. I'll put that to the side right now. Then what else you have in here? You got a tool. That's one thing. And then you got another Allen wrench. And you have the battery. And you have some washers. I did read somewhere that these washers, I believe this is for the Springfield. Because in the actual Glock, the Glock is cut for it, so I believe you don't need any washer, but you do have a option for washers for the Springfield. This is actually the dot adjustment tool. I've been doing some research. It pretty much said that you don't really need this. I'm going to find out pretty much that it's already zeroed for the most part, so see how that works out. So put this stuff back. I don't think I need any of that. Well, I still actually, so now what I want to do is, these are the 2 screws. You got 2 different sizes. You have a 10 and you have an 8. I believe I need a 8. So which one is the 8? Yeah, so this must be the 8 because it's shorter. And so the 10 should be longer. Yep. So the ones that I really need is the smaller ones. So I know what that is. So I'm just going to put that to the side. So what I'm going to do now is focus on taking the cover off, and as you see, it's clear. Slide, pull back, nothing inside there, so nothing to worry about. So pretty much, all right, so that's it. Now I have the tool right here. This is Torx. Just going to take the cover off. These are the 2 screws that I took off. As you can see, these 2 screws are pretty much a little bit longer than the ones that I'm taking out, because I'm pretty sure this slide is a little bit thicker than the plate. This is the plate, and if you look actually at the MOS sight, you see the MOS sight is slightly thicker. So that's the reason why you have a slightly longer screw. So what I want to do is, for safekeepings, I'm just going to put those screws right inside of here. So at least I know where they at. Take these 2 out. Now, as you can see, this sight is actually cut perfectly for the Glock MOS. They got the 4 posts, and you can see the 4 posts here. See all 4. So that's pretty much straightforward. What I'm going to do is install the battery first. Once the battery's installed, and then you can see goes on perfectly. Perfectly. See how it looks? It's perfect fit. Now, it's not as sleek as my Glock 19, but you can tell it's custom made for this particular slide. All right, so now what I'm going to do is put the bolts on. All right, I have the blue thread locker right here. So put a little bit on there. Oh, a little bit too much. So put it right. I'm going to share it with both the screws. You don't need too much. All right, I got on both of them. I'm going to use the tool that it came with. Straightforward, nothing crazy. All right, I pretty much hand tighten it. Now I'm going to get my torque tool. This torque tool is pretty cool. Straightforward. It got all the parts you need in here. Got the different sizes. For the most part, this will be about 20 to 18 inch-pounds. And I like this. I had this for years. And I actually bought this for my AR-15 when I was doing some modifications on it. So this is straightforward. So you pretty much tighten it until it clicks. There you go. So you know that's roughly 19 inch-pounds. Do the same thing with this one. There you go. Some people hear click, 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 click. No, you don't have to do that. You just one click, that's all you need. So that's pretty much it. All right, so it's all in there. I don't know if you can see it anyway, but that's pretty much in there. This is auto adjust. So for the most part, it is adjust itself due to the light. So in here, it's not, well, I guess a little bright, so the dot should look a little slim. But what I like about this one is you can co-witness with the iron sights, in this case plastic sights. So I like this. Yeah, this is pretty much on the money already. This is already, like, based on the iron sights, or the plastic sights in this case, the red dot is already right on it. So, I mean, I have to take it to the range. However, you shouldn't fire the gun for at least 24 hours when you use the thread lockers. Gotta let it dry, so probably go to the range sometime this weekend and try it out. But as far as the way it looks, I like it a lot. What I wanted to do is show both of my Glocks side by side. They both have MOS sights on them. They both MOS version of Glocks. They both are clear. Once again, no magazine. Nothing in this one. Nothing in this one. Now, as you see here, you have the Hollow Sun SCS red dot, which I like a lot. I just like the way it looks. It looks real nice. Right on the firearm is great. It's like it's sleek. It's cut perfect for it. I have to give Hollison credit for this. And then you have the Glock 43X MOS. This one right here. This is actually was cut for this one. It don't fit as clean as the Hollow Sun. However, it's both very, very nice. I like the fact that the 43X is smaller, so it's easier to carry if you have your concealed carry permit, and that's what I like about it. This one right here is also very comfortable to carry. So yeah, I just wanted to show the two of them, and these are my two go-to firearms. I really like these two guys. All right, everyone, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.